In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV data directly into your CMS in Wix Studio. I'll walk through the full process of bringing spreadsheet data into your site so it can quickly populate your CMS collection and be ready to use in your design. This is a great way to save time, especially if you already have content organized in a CSV file and want to avoid entering everything manually. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand panel and click CMS. If the CMS hasn't been added to your site yet, go ahead and click Add to Site first. This enables the CMS so you can begin working with collections and structured content. Next, you will choose whether you want to import your CSV into an existing collection or create a brand new one. If you are using an existing collection, open that collection, then go to the top right. Click the More Actions icon and select Import. If you'd rather create a new collection for this content, hover over the Collections section. Click the plus icon, choose Start by adding content, and then select Import from CSV. This option is useful when you are setting up a collection for the first time and want your CSV to define the content structure. After that, it's time to upload your CSV file. Click Choose a File, or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. Then click Open. Wix Studio will begin reading the file so you can review how the data will be imported. The next part is one of the most important steps, mapping your columns. You will see the columns from your CSV, and you can check or uncheck the boxes next to them to decide which data you want to bring in. Then use the drop-down menus to match each CSV column to either a new field or an existing field in your CMS collection. As you do this, make sure the field types match your data correctly. For example, text should go into text fields, image data should match image fields, and related content should be mapped to reference fields when needed. Taking a moment here to double-check your mappings can help prevent formatting issues later. Once everything looks correct, click Import to finalize the process. Your items will immediately populate the collection, and from there, the content is ready to connect to your site design. And that's it. Thanks for watching.